Hey guys, and welcome to this video. And today's video I'll showing you the updated way to deactivate a messenger account. Okay, so guys, before I proceed, I'll appreciate if you like this video, subscribe to this channel, leave a comment in the comment section, share this video, and also contact us for arts and collaborations via the description of this video. Okay, so guys, let's proceed. So now head over to your messenger app and open it. So messenger, so open your messenger. So now your messenger, now tap on this three-line icon at the top left hand of your screen. So now tap on this settings icon close to your profile. So now you need to scroll down, and on this meta account center, tap on it. Okay, so let's wait for this to load. So now on this account settings, tap on personal details below accounts. So select this account ownership and control. Okay, so now you need to select deactivation or deletion. So now select it. So now you need to select the account which you like to deactivate, okay, on your messenger. So now select it, this account. So now select the deactivate option. Okay, select deactivate, then tap on continue. So it says deactivating your Facebook account. Okay, so now just select continue. So now you just need to input your password and your messenger account to be deactivated successfully. Okay, so guys, that's the updated way to deactivate a messenger account. Before I conclude, I appreciate if you like this video. Once again, subscribe to this channel, leave a comment in the comment section, share this video, and also contact us for arts and collaborations via the description of this video. Okay, so guys, thanks for watching and have a lovely day. Stay safe. Peace.